But I put the new O2 sensor in and it didn't fix it.
'07 Jeep Wrangler with a 3.8. It's a two-door. It's the X. Customer complaint. Engine light. P0032. Heater circuit. Bank 1, sensor 1.
And as we see, she's brandy new. So, with her unplugged, you look up here. There's a black wire on the heater. As everybody knows, right? You're matching two. Those are going to be heaters. But there's a black wire, and we're going to see if there's a ground there. So I'm jumped in. On the side. Onto the power probe. No doubt. We'll load test it just to be sure. Here's my load. She's set. We can get it to stay still. We can get it to stay still. Oh, no lighty light. So, with our visual inspection, somebody's certainly been up here because we have a new ground, but that, if she'll focus, is our grounds, our G104 and 101, typical on a Chrysler, so let's go after that. So I pulled our ground off of our stud, and as everybody can see, hanging on by a thread, it's all our grounds. And actually, upon further inspection, I don't know if I'll be able to show everybody this. If we look up here, we have a cut wire there, and it looks like somebody jumped the ground to the EGR, and this would make sense because the EGR grounds at G104. So everybody can see, test light to ground. We'll hook in here. She works, right? And we'll get right up here to our broken wire. Oh. So there's your diag background for the heater circuit. Just because there's a code doesn't mean you need to replace the part. Happy Friday, everybody.